So you're someone who's been overthinking content as a digital marketer or network marketer, and you need some softwares to speed up your workflow. So right now I have a income proof picture of a sale that I got, and I got this sale from a YouTube video that only had 30 views and one like, because it was very targeted. So I want to make a Facebook post around this. So I want to show you guys the software that I'm going to be using in our premium bundle and why this is one of the best affiliate marketing platforms you can offer to the world. So we're going to come down to Traffic Maestro. Traffic Maestro has all of my ideas as far as how I want to help my audience, the problems they have, the dream desires, and a whole bunch of information that I plugged into with a voice transcription software. So I got to really lay it all out. So when I make content and I voice my opinion, it has all that in mind. It's called your marketing context. It has that all in mind when you're doing long form, short form video, especially when you're doing like Facebook posts. You have different options. My favorite is did something happen recently, a conversation, a moment that stuck with you. So you see, we actually have a built-in transcription software now. And I also have one that I use as well on my own. So I'm going to think for a second and then I'm going to input it. It doesn't matter if I say it politically correct, if it's all over the place. It's going to take my information and it's going to help me make a Facebook post. So recently I got a sale from a video on YouTube, a long form piece of content. It only had 30 views and one like, 0 comments after about 9 days. But it was very targeted to my audience. It was very targeted to the issue that they were having in their business. And I pretty much want to let people know that YouTube is an amazing platform to even start your business, even if it looks a little bit frightening or intimidating, because it's very specific. So messing up as you grow on YouTube is way better and more efficient than messing up and growing on social media such as real platforms or Facebook, Meta, etc. Because people get to hear your likeness or see your likeness if you're face forward, but you have specific topics. So the wrong way to do YouTube is just to come on YouTube and just talk about random stuff. The right way to do YouTube is to actually come on here with a specific keyword or a specific topic with a specific solution in mind. So if you're someone on social media that is exhausted, posting 5 to 3 reels a day, going live, 2 to 3 Facebook posts, Pinterest posts, and you just want one ideal traffic strategy, YouTube meshed with the software that we have with HBA, which I don't want to mention the name in my posts, is very important for you to have. It's very quick, it's very automated, and it's very useful. So you see it transcribed everything. So we're going to go next. You can skip these options, but I really love especially this option one. It says, what's one thing your reader should take away from this? And I kind of said it in the last video. So you see there's no transcriber right here. So this is why I have this other software, and I'll leave it in the comments. I mean, I'll leave it in the description as well so you can get it. But we only have our transcribe on certain parts, more, I guess, the longer portions. So one thing I want the reader to take away from this video is if you're burnt out from social media, YouTube is the place you want to go. And if you're intimidated by YouTube because you have no information on it, your sponsor or your coach or the course you bought never told you how to effectively do YouTube, that's another amazing reason why the software that I'm going to show you not only has real training on these platforms, real software that helps automate these platforms, but I've been doing YouTube for a very long time, over 8 years. And I really know how to get your point across on this platform and how to reach people, by the hundreds of thousands and get your business pushed in front of them. So even if it's not politically correct, it'll still mesh it around. And the actual transcribe tool I use, it actually does listen to it and tries to rewrite it better. And then we're just going to add this just for a bonus. I've been using YouTube for over a decade, and it's the most slept on traffic strategy. See, it gives you examples, a specific numbers. So decade, we'll see how it writes that. I didn't put an exact number, but we'll see if it turns it into a number. And we're going to write post. Pretty much it's going to give you the whole post. You can read it, and then it's going to make it ready for direct response. So people have a call to action. So you can read through it. First, I would just read through it, make sure the idea of it's good, change. If any point of it you will like it better. But me, I'm just gonna alchemize it right away because I usually like the output of it. And then I'll go in and I'll read it and I'll change any lines. Because sometimes AI does these, I don't know what to call them, but these double things, like it's not this, it's that. These little just phrases that it's kind of like AI, or it sounds a little bit unnatural if you've been doing AI for a while. So I just go in here and see what it says. So I'm gonna change this. I like numerical stuff, so I gotta actually, let me hit edit. 30 views, 1 like, so it stands out a little more. See your comments, and it made a sale. Let that sink in for a second. 9 days sitting on YouTube, looking like a ghost town, and then one person watched it, resonated with every word, and bought. Most people would look at those numbers and call it a failure, but here's what they're missing. That video wasn't made for everyone. It was made for one specific person with one specific problem. And when that person found it, because YouTube sent it to them through search, it hit different. This is the part that gets overlooked. On social media, you're shouting into a crowded room, hoping someone turns around. On YouTube, someone is literally typing their problem into a search bar, and your video can be the answer waiting for them. Completely different energy. Now, here's where most people mess it up. They hop on YouTube and just talk random thoughts, no structure, no keyword in mind, just vibes. Then they wonder why nothing happens. The right way, one topic, one problem. And you know me, I like stuff to offset you a little bit. One answer. You show up with a specific problem your audience is already searching for, and you deliver a specific solution. That's it. When you do that, 30 views can outperform a reel with 30,000 views, because those 30 people actually needed what you said. They weren't scrolling past you on the way to a cat video. They went looking for help and found you. That being said, most people won't do this. They'll keep chasing trends, posting every day, trying to crack the algorithm, burning out on the hamster wheel. Meanwhile, a single YouTube video you recorded 6 months ago is still working, still being found, still building trust, still bringing people to your door. A reel dies in 48 hours. A YouTube video can bring you customers for years. No daily posting required, no going viral required, no dancing required. Just the right message for the right person, showing up exactly when they need it. If this sounds like something you need in your life, or if YouTube has always intimidated you and you want someone to walk you through it step by step, shoot me a DM, the word YouTube, and I'll show you. Shoot me a DM. Drop it below, and I'll show you exactly what I'm working with. Exactly what software are you exactly what software make this traffic strategy to make it. Test that out. Not sure how good that copy is. Then we'll come in and we'll paste it. And that's one of the softwares we have in Traffic Maestro. You get 5 free credits a day, which, see, I think 1 credit for posts, 1 for images. Something does take 2 credits, but I'm not sure what it is. I always barely use them every day. And you can buy more credits here. The same with our email software. Instead of paying separate for this and other tools, you just come here and buy it. 15,000 credits, which is 15,000 emails going out, which if you haven't, and we give you 300 free credits. So everything will be in the description on how to get this all-in-one software, how to get the triple residual pack, And you can even try these softwares out for 14 days free without paying for it. So get that while it's available, guys, and have a good one.